Here we have our 69 to 77 complete lowering kit, PRObuilt style. This one is actually going for a thing, but works the same on all the 69 liter Beetles and Ghias. Let's go over it. First, you'll notice that we have our narrow beams. Most people purchase the 4-inch models. This is actually a 2-inch model, but we can do them stock width, adjustable, narrowed up to 6-inch. All come with Delrin bushings, Volkswagen of Mexico torsion bars, powder coated satin black, game changer adjusters, which means 7 1/4 inches of adjustability up and down. No other beams do that. 2.5 inch drop spindles, inspection plate, Bose steering dampener, US tie rods, beam pads, PRObuilt arms, which are factory arms, checked for straightness, bead blasted, sand blasted. Then the new ball joints are pressed in and broken in. Got a set of 4. Each kit, lowering kit, comes with a call tag for all the core parts we use here. The only ones that we use in this kit are the arms. So we send a prepaid label for those arms. If you want to send them back, get yourself, I think it's $70. German Melee tie rod ends, the camber eccentrics, adjustable shocks from Fox and Rytec, front and rear, all the beam bolts, the ARP beam bolts, jam nuts, and matching front shocks. So please check the link below for updated pricing. But we do these lowering kits for Beetles, Ghias, Things, Type 3s, Type 2 bus. Don't need a beam for the Type 2 bus versions, but we have everything else. We look forward to wowing you. Please comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.